Hello parents and investors. In this video, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano kumuha ng unit doon sa may Vista GL Taft, which is located in Taft Avenue, Manila. So, itong GL Taft po ay isa sa mga university towers po ng Vista Residences. But before we proceed with any other details, I'll show you a video kung saan po located ang Vista GL Taft. Okay, so this is the location of Vista GL Taft as per Google Earth. Kasi po, yung Google Earth, nakikita na po natin yung paligid po ng location na gusto nating makita. So that is the building. One tower lang po siya. Pangalan niya Vista GL Taft at ang baba po niya is commercial po yan. And then yung lobby. Actually guys, itong Vista GL Taft ay kaka-turnover lamang po ito. So this is a very new unit. And this is along Taft Avenue, kaya marami pong jeep. So, yung kalsada po na yan is going to Quiapo po yan. And in front po niya ay mga known establishments, and then later ipapakita ko sa inyo once naka 2D po ito. So, that is the train station po, LRT po yan. Kaya, mabilis lamang mag-commute using jeep, bus, or LRT when you are in this location, and this area is going to Pasay. So Vista GL Taft is near universities like UP Manila, also near St. Paul University and Manila Science High School. So I'm now showing you the 2D para makita natin yung landmarks. So according to this video, you can see that it's very near. Nakalagay dito Manila Science High School, Emilio Aguinaldo College. And then, may nakalagay pa dito na Cathedral of Praise main campus. Okay, so that's Manila Science High School. Kaya po, very near schools and universities po siya. Ideal for your children or yung mga kamag-anak po ninyo na mag-aaral or pwede pong paupahan as apartment. So yan po, katapat po niya yung UP Manila and then PGH, and we also have Supreme Court and then the National Bureau of Investigation, so NBI. So bali po, in between po siya ng Padre Faura and then po ng Pedro Hill. So yan, malapit po siya. And of course, nearest mall mo po dito ay SM Manila and then Robinsons Manila. Okay, so nakita nyo na po yung ating Vista GL Taft is a development of Vista Residences na pag-aari po ni Manny Villar. And then, ang location po niya ay Taft Avenue, Ermita, Manila. This is between Padre Faura po and Pedro Hill. So, ang pinakamalapit na university niya is yung UP Manila. So, sa mga gustong mag-doktor dyan, or may mga anak na in the future gustong mag-aral ng medicine, ang pagkakaalam ko sa UP Manila po, ang alam nila yung parang medicine department ng UP. And then, malapit also sa St. Paul University, and also to the doctors and nurses. This is also just across PGH, and then meron also dyang malapit na NBI, and then yung Supreme Court malapit din po dyan. So ganito, ang available natin ngayon ay meron tayong mga studio units and offices. So unahin muna natin yung studio units kasi kung meron kayong mga relatives or anak, right, na gustong mag-aral dyan, banda, sa may, malapit dyan sa may UP Manila, or sa St. Paul, or napansin nyo rin dun sa map, malapit also sa Manila Science High School, right? So, ang studio po niya ngayon, ang price ay 6,468,087. So, lalagay ko dito sa screen yung price na yan, and ang reservation fee para po makakuha kayo ng unit is only 40,000. So, ang units po ay available via bank financing, and this is also ready for occupancy units. So, ang kailangan lamang po ay pumili tayo ng payment option. So, we have spot cash, meron also tayong deferred yung down payment, and then based on this payment terms, makaka-avail kayo ng discount. But hindi ko kasi siya ma-post dito sa videos lahat, ano, kasi medyo complicated pag numbers na yung pag-uusapan, right? So kaya i-discuss ko yan sa inyo upon pag-uusap po natin dito sa phone. So I'll just share with you, i-open ko lang yung file ko dito sa phone ko kung magkano yung required income. Okay? So, yung ating studio unit po, which is 22 square meters, reservation fee is only 40,000 na naman, no? And then, meron tayo ditong standard payment terms. Okay, so nakita ko na dito sa phone ko yung details kasi medyo bad ako ma-memorize ng numbers eh. So, kailangan kong ma-check ito dahil tingnan nyo, maraming numbers. So kaya i-discuss ko ito sa inyo kapag nag-usap na po tayo or nag-chat kasi I'll send the file to you para mapag-usapan natin and mabasa niyo also itong nakikita ko. So, meron tayo ditong financing scheme via bank, no? So, maximum terms natin ay 15 years. Kaya, yung amount na 6 million something, hindi nyo naman siya kailangang bayaran ng spot cash agad kasi pwede naman siyang bayaran in installment via bank financing, but if you will avail the spot cash, ay meron po kayong discount which is 12%. That is equivalent to 771,000. Malaki, right? Kaya kung kaya nyo mag-spot cash, avail nyo na para ma-avail nyo yung discount. So, I'll give you a sample, no? For 15 years loan via bank financing, ang monthly po ay nakalagay dito 49,449.93. So estimate na lang natin or round off natin to 50,000, and then ang required income ay 164,833. So para madaling alalahanin, required income is 165,000 to avail the loan of around off natin 50,000 monthly via bank financing for 15 years. So, kung gusto nyo po, for example, na mag-invest at maging landlord and gumawa kayo ng parang apartment type or dormitory type, kahit po nasa abroad kayo, don't worry kasi pwede naman po na dito ay ako mag-manage ng unit and ako na rin po mag-furnish. I can be your SPA here para po hindi kayo mahirapan lang, lalo na pag nasa probinsya po yung family po ninyo. So, for more information about the unit, ay kontakin nyo na lamang po ako. Dito sa description nitong video, nandito po yung aking contact